Hey everybody, thanks for coming to the channel. Please subscribe if you're not, and check out all the other boating videos and tips and mods. I just wanted to share with you this little setup that I've got for storing the Bimini. If you're a garage dweller like me during the winter, this is a pretty good way to keep your Bimini up out of the way of the boat. And I'll show you real quick how everything's all set up. So basically you've got some of these eyelet hooks. You're going to need a stud finder. I'm sure if you're a handy guy, you've probably got one. Find out where all the studs are, or the rafters in your garage, and then mark. You can see there where I've marked the line of the rafter, and you kind of have to eyeball it. So what you're going to do, what I did first was I got a couple of legs set up above the tower so that I can connect these straps to. I've got two straps and there's 3 leg bolts. That way you have a backup. So you want to have the straps around your toe point there. Not an exact science, but it works. So that holds it up. The other thing I've got is a 2x4 that basically stands it up in there because my garage isn't high enough to put the tower all the way up. So this holds it up securely. I've been doing this for about 4 years. So once you get your tower secured there, then you're going to need leg bolts up here with some clips, and I'll zoom in on those here in a second. So I've got the eyelets here with screwed into the rafter. And then I've got these carabiner clips. I don't know, this isn't really a carabiner, but it's just a clip. Find that at the hardware store or on Amazon. I'll have links below in the description. Please give it a like and thumbs up, subscribe if you would, it helps the channel. And then these straps are made by Husky, and I'll see if I can find those on Amazon and put a link below. But basically, what's gonna happen here is you're going to wrap the strap around here. It's Velcro, and that'll hold this contraption tight together on the sides, right? And then on the center, you can see I've kind of done the same thing with the clip. And then this strap, this one's a little bit bigger, and it fits all the way around the Bimini, Velcro. So you got one here and then one on this side. So when I lower my tower, this thing's going to be held up, and you just got to be careful you don't scratch the paint off your tower with the Bimini frame there. So I'm going to get it all set up. I'll drop the tower and show you what that looks like. Okay, so you can see here on the side, I've got this strap tight around the Bimini arm, and it's holding it up off the tower here. Kind of a wobbly video, sorry about that. You guys might also have a question about these. See, I don't know if you have the quick release knobs, but I bought these at the hardware store. Just kind of dremelled them down. I couldn't tell you what size they are, and I don't know if I'll have a link, but I'll try and find it. These are pretty handy for getting in and out of the garage quick with your Bimini, taking it off. I'm going to show you a little closer view of this. So you can see I've got a clip there. I don't know what the technical name of that thing is, but anyway, it's basically a link that you can open up. And then these are just, I believe, motorcycle tie-down straps for handlebars. And then we got this, and like I said, I've had it up for 4 years, never a problem. And then I back it up with this little guy here. So once the tower is, or the Bimini is off of here, then I can secure this thing a little bit better, but this works really good. Okay, so we've dropped the tower, and you can see it's just sitting back there. The newer boats have the tower, I believe, that curves forward, but it's the same principle. So, I mean, you would just have the Bimini, I don't know, probably up forward more on their ceiling. But anyway, you can see all the straps holding this thing up nice and secure, and it works out real well. Then if you're going to put your tower back up, Just push it up here like this. Like that, and then this little guy is kind of a backup. And you know, if you're paranoid, you can put a padded 2x4 from here down to here, padded on both ends, you know. But like I said, this is a really secure setup. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please give it a like. It'll help the algorithm. And subscribe to check out the other videos. I got a bunch of mod videos for Centurion, probably applicable to Supremes as well. Yeah, just go check it out. Got a whole playlist on boat stuff. And thanks for watching.